Welcome to JuiceIT 2026. This is our third stop in the JuiceIT Roadshow this year. We're in the beautiful city of Brisbane. My name is Garrett McDonald. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Data3.
Check it out.
This year we've got 34 vendors here with us. We've got over 27 sessions. And our theme this year is the tech effect. It's orchestration between technologies like AI, cloud, security, and data, and how you bring all them together and bring them to life to deliver the real business impact that we're all looking for in our organisations.
Let's go.
Thank you to all our customers, thank you to all our vendors. With over 1,000 people on site here, we're looking forward to an amazing afternoon. And thank you for being part of our JuiceIT Roadshow.